Hello everybody, I am Priya Dilip Lukre. I am doing PhD in Botany in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. First, let us see statement of problem. Mango is affected by several diseases during nursery conditions of the development. Coleotrichum gloesporidis is one of the severe threat to mango causes anthracnose disease at nursery condition. Due to this, production will drastically be decreased. The majority of mango plants die due to disease attack in a young stage on a nursery bed because plants are more susceptible to diseases at the young stage. Coleotrichum blight is a threat of concern, so significant economic losses occur because the whole plant is destroyed. There is little information or research work on Coleotrichum blight disease of nursery plants of mango. Whatever research work has been done is on mango's post-harvest disease or when mango became a full-grown matured tree. Disease at nursery condition is also become a severe threat, resulting in more significant economic loss. There is a need to apply various management practices such as management of disease by using plant extracts of aromatic plants, chemical methods, combinations of fungicides. These are some management practices. By using these, we can control disease during nursery condition. Here, in working principle, survey and collection of infected mango plant material, isolation of fungi on different media and identification of pathogen, purification of the identified pathogen for the further investigations, to test pathogenicity to know the pathogen which is responsible to cause diseases in nursery plants of mango, to apply various management practices such as use of non-toxic chemical methods, use of biological methods. In targeted outcomes, to study the most effective medicinal plant extract against Coleotrichum gloesporidis, to examine which chemical fungicide or combination of fungicide will be more effective for mango anthracnose, to understand the physiological and biochemical studies of Coleotrichum gloesporidis. It is essential to study the infective mechanism of that pathogen. So this is all about the Coleotrichum blight disease of mango plants during nursery condition. So you can see in this picture how the tender leaves are infected. So all these are anthracnose spots, and you can see here how the anthracnose spots covered whole leaf, and due to this process of photosynthesis stopped and automatically whole plant dies in this process, or severe loss causes due to this disease. So this is one of the most significant disease among the diseases of mango during nursery condition, because this disease persists from nursery condition to the mature tree. This is all about the Coleotrichum blight disease of mango plants during nursery condition. In this picture, you can see clearly how these Coleotrichum blight spots covered the leaves here, and due to this whole plant dies, and ultimately it responsible to causes economic losses. Thank you.